Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. In today's video, you will get the complete installation process for Netgear Orbi 370 Series Wi-Fi 7 mesh system. Let's start the process. First of all, download and install the Netgear Orbi app on your mobile device from App Store or Play Store. After download, plug the Orbi 370 Series Wi-Fi 7 mesh system into a power. Then, open the Wi-Fi connection list on your mobile. Here, you need to connect your mobile device to your Orbi 370 Series Wi-Fi network, which is available on the list. Connect your mobile device to Orbi 370 Series Wi-Fi network using a username and password, which is available in the back side label of your router. Then launch the Orbi app. Now log into your app and then tap Setup an Orbi. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up router and satellites. Connect the Orbi 370 main unit router to your modem with the help of Ethernet cable. Use the yellow Ethernet port on the back of the Orbi router. Then plug router and modem into a power outlet. Now, wait up to 3 to 5 minutes. In this time, your modem LEDs became stable, and your Orbi router's LED turns solid white. Connect a computer to the Orbi main router's SSID. The Orbi router's default SSID and password are found on the QR code sticker on the router, as well as on the product label on the bottom of the router. You can also connect your Orbi router with computer using an Ethernet cable. Launch a web browser on the computer connected to the Orbi 370 main unit router. Then, enter orbilogin.net into the web address bar. Then you will be redirected to the Term and Conditions page. Read all the terms of service if you want. Otherwise, simply agree and click the checkbox and then click Next. Your Orbi router now detects your internet connection. After this, you need to click Next or follow the on-screen instructions. Now, the Orbi satellite setup page displays. Place your Orbi satellites and plug them into power outlets. When all satellites are placed and plugged in, then click Next. Wait for 2 minutes to connect your satellites with router. Your satellite's LED lights became stable. It indicates a successful connection. After this connection, click Next. Now Orbi login page displays. Here type admin in the username and password box. Select and answer 2 security questions from the menus and click Next. Then create an SSID and password, then click Next. Connect to the new SSID with the password you just created with your Wi-Fi enabled devices. Test the connection. If you are facing any trouble to set up Orbi 370 Series Wi-Fi 7 mesh system, then you can reach us. Thanks for watching.